Hello again! Okay, I finally decided to sing this song, but I haven't sang this song, but I hear this song before. I'm not gonna practice anymore. I'm just gonna go for it, okay? So, uh, you tell me if I can sing it or not, okay? It's a men's song, I think. But I really like this song. I love this song, actually. It's called Iniibig Kita by Roel Cortez. Okay, I'm gonna try to sing it again, okay? Oh, it's a love song. I think I'm gonna cry. Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong ganda at hindi na rin pinansin pa bawat ngiti mong may ganyan dahil sa akala ko hindi ako iibig sa'yo. Ikaw pala ang aakit sa puso ko. Kaya ngayon laging lulong-lulong ang puso ko't isipan. Araw-gabi ay pangarap ka at sa tunay na babalisa. Dahil ba ang puso ko'y labis na umibig sa'yo, hanggang kailan matitiis langit ko. Ano ang gagawin sa utos ng damdamin? Para bang hangin na kahirap tigilin? Sana'y unawain ang pusong sa'yo'y baliw. Nais kong malaman na iniibig kita. Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong ganda at hindi na rin pinansin pa bawat ngiti mo'y may ganyan. Dahil sa akala ko hindi ako uibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aakit sa puso ko. Ano ang gagawin sa utos ng damdamin? Para bang hangin na kahirap tigilin? Sana'y unawain ang pusong sa'yo'y baliw. Nais kong malaman mo na iniibig kita. 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 In English, I want you to know that I'm in love with you. Okay? So, I wanted to sing some more, but we'll see. I might change my mind. But anyway, I like my looks today. I look like a young lady. I look like a young girl, yeah, today. Okay. So, what else I have to say? I just want to say thank you so much again for all your support, for watching me. I know God sees everything, guys. So, I know life is getting harder and harder, and all I can say is we hold on to God and just keep loving each other. Okay, we hold on together. Okay. All right. I have to end this video for now, and I just want to thank everyone again for watching and listening to my simple video. Okay. I know I don't want to get off the video because I like what I see. But anyway, till next time again. I hope I can do again tomorrow. Oh, I'm off tomorrow. I'm off Friday, Saturday, so I will do my best to sing again tomorrow. Okay. Thanks to all of you, and God bless us all. Mwah.